Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan hima.
Usembur Menteri Rangba Kejela ubadai pet ye ketanat penroisor ubak senyawa halang dhar mentaka sengi ke khat pratrik Jemang ulalaj ban jurip ye ke Shillong District Jail ke badan hak Lat ha ke ban kaliang jong u la ong ban la ban penbahaya ke nongba kaladai ke por ban penkin riak no EKA kenang baka nongba kan long ke batanda bat kumu menteri ubadai pet kata ke jingang not ke bahakmat la benrap ubak senyawa halang. Ulah pentip ru ban kaliang ke sorkar kala rai ban penken riak ye ke Shillong District Jail ke badan Lat syak jaka ke bala penkrek ha New Shillong Township ban kaliang jong u la ong ba haswa ban pentikena yakani don kam ban let jurip haswa ban pentrai kam henry ye ke rai ladap ban shim ba ye ke Shillong District Jail an habbat ban penken riak. Ha kabaya dei bat kajing pentrai kam ye ke jail na kaliang sembut menteri Rangba ulong bakandang kham shimpor namari ke benta ke badengkong jong kajing ya keren kata ban penken ria ladap ban rai nang ta kajing shna ya ke jail ke bahe ke bala ban penrung hadu shi hajar ngut ki koidi namar kumbalatip bakani ke jail ke benta kala ban penrung tang shispa hanyo phongut ki koidi kumta kandang kham shimpor la benrap ubas nyam halang. Shishula ongru bakaladon ke jingya sngoto jingmut alor ke jingya kaliang jaka pedeng ketenat jail bat ketenat urban ha ke baka jail kan shimnya ke jaka jong ke urban kan baka urban pat kan shimnya ke jaka jong ke jail.
There are not that I visit the hill, jail, so it's jail. So you have decided to shift the jail from the city to the New Shillong. That is property. So before I finalize, so I feel it's appropriate for me to visit, and I visit today. Decision has been taken. We will shift this Shillong jail towards the new area, new township area.
Status juga di Central Jail mana?
No status. How did I will shift it? That is the status. Finalize. Just to shift.
When did it start? When will it start?
It will take time. First decision has been taken. Number two, we will construct the new jail. When the new jail is construction is done, we will shift it. And the urban will take over the land. Urban will give jail land, and jail will take from 20 hectares and 1,000 capacity. And the urban only 170.